Hi, I'm Alan from MeasureSquare. Today, I'll be going over roll allocation in MeasureSquare 8. The roll allocation feature is useful when you have multiple rolls of the same carpet and want to set up dyelots. To demonstrate this feature, I'll be using this medical center project with a 6-foot 6-inch wide sheet vinyl. I will have the sheet vinyl selected in the project estimate settings up in the toolbar here. Then click on the gear icon right below it. First, for the roll length option drop-down box, I will select Roll Allocation. This will bring up a roll allocation window where I can add my dyelots. I want to create 2 dyelots, so I'll go ahead and click on the Add Roll button. My first dyelot will be named A1 and will have 5 rolls that are each 75 feet long. I'll click on Add Roll again to add my second dyelot, named B1, which has 3 rolls that are each 100 feet long. Notice that I have my dyelot mix option set to no mix. This means that the software will only at most use 1 dyelot in a room. If no dyelots are available, then the roll will be defaulted to the original length of the sheet vinyl, in this case 150 feet. I'll click on OK to apply these dyelots. You can see in the cut sheet below which rolls are from which dyelot. 5 rolls are from dyelot A1, as indicated by the dyelot label here and here. 2 of the rolls are from dyelot B1, shown here and here. Roll number 7, here, is not part of any dyelot because its length of the cuts, 124 feet and 6 inches, is more than the lengths of the rolls that we have allocated. As a result, it will use a roll with the original length of 150 feet. Let's go over the other dyelot mix options, besides no mix. I will click on the gear icon in the upper toolbar to open the project estimating settings. I'll click on Edit Allocation, then look at the dyelot mix options here. If I click on the drop-down, I can see that there are 2 methods, besides no mix, which are sequential and mix. Sequential will attempt to lay out your dyelots in the order that you type them. In our case, it'll lay them out A1 first and then B1. Please keep in mind that this will only work when your cuts are staggered. I will link an article on how to stagger your cuts. The last option is the mix option, which will allow dyelots to be used in the same room if they can cover the area. Now, let's go check out our remainder. I'll click on Cancel to close this window, then click on View Remainder. This will show how many unused rolls are left over from my dyelots. As you can see, I have 1 roll left from dyelot B1. The reason this remainder feature is useful is that it allows leftover dyelot rolls to be used in other tabs or phases. Please keep in mind that if you want to use your remainder in another tab or phase, you must already be estimating in tab or phase. To use my remaining rolls in another tab, I can click on Copy Rolls Data here, click on OK, then go to my tab, select Roll Allocation from the roll length option, and then click on Paste. As you can see, my remaining roll from B1 is pasted here. I can click on OK, and then you can see that it is applied right here. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, or subscribe to our channel for more updates.